we're going to learn how to draw a cat. First, you're going to start with a circle. Then you're going to draw two little triangles on top of the cat's head. I always like to draw two little triangles inside the big triangles to make the cat's ears. Next, you're going to draw an upside down triangle. Sometimes the best thing to do is to draw a V and then just connect the top. Next, you're going to start at the bottom of the V and swoop out into the cat's smile. Then you're going to draw the cat's eyes. Then you're going to draw the cat's whiskers. Now the cat's whiskers are usually very long, so make sure they go well past the side of his head. Then you're going to draw the cat's body, going all the way down. Now cats usually have a very long tail, so I like to draw that out to the side. And there you have it. You know how to draw a cat. Share with your friends.